I want to dive into importing accounts into our sandbox or into our Salesforce org. So in the last video, we discussed file formatting and how to format your files and also format your data. We also walked through an example of a data transformation. So our file of accounts that we have now is in a good shape. We actually have 200 accounts here, and we'll dive and look into Salesforce. As you can see, we currently have 13 accounts within our org. So our org is going to get an update of new accounts, and we'll see what it looks like. In this example, we'll leverage Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. So as I stated, it's a Google extension tool. I actually have a whole video on Salesforce Inspector Reloaded and its features, but we'll dive into the ability to import data in this video. So if you look here, we actually have an option called data import. If this is your first time looking at Salesforce Inspector Reloaded, you'll notice the UI here, have the API type, the action, which type of action that we want to leverage. So in this case, we're doing an insert. Object is accounts, and we actually could paste our data here, which is one cool thing that I like about this feature here. So let's go into our file. We're literally going to select all of our data. We're going to copy it. We can see it's in a good format, good file. Our data is in the proper formatting as well. We'll then go back into Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. We'll literally click here, as you can see it highlighted, and then I'll literally just paste the data here, right? In our previous video, what I stated about field mapping, as you can see, these are the API names of each column, and you can see how cleanly it automatically mapped directly to the field. So no additional work from me. Everything's already set and laid out. 200 is already queued. As we can see, you have the option to run our insert here. So all our data is here and ready to go. We'll just run insert to kind of see how it looks. And yes, we have 200 succeeded. So data now lives in Salesforce. So now if we dive into our Salesforce org, and we go into accounts, we can now see our account volume has exponentially increased, right? Which is cool. So that is an example there. Next, we'll look at data loader and how to import via data loader.